Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to make DEX screener banner. So guys, after logging your account and connect with your wallet, what you have to do, all you have to do guys, choose the to compare and select the to compare on your features in your banner. That's will popular trading pair like ETH or USD, as you can see here. For example guys, ETH USD. For example guys, ETH and USD, choose the banner pair. After that, customize the banner, navigate the banner customize section, provide the adjust appearance and content, enter the title and description of the trading pair, the specific information, and adjust the color, background, image and element match your desired of design or matrix. And choose the color, background, image and specific information. Then add matrix including the key matrix, such price and volume and liquidity of the banner, and then generate the banner. After customize, click generate to create your unique DEX screener banner, and then you can use on the social media. You can embed code and copy code use for your site or something like this. Just choose the pair guys and customize the banner. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.